At first glance, it looks like a nice wooden whiskey gift box. But this one, it hides something unexpected. A detail so slick, it takes it from basic to boutique. And the way we pulled it off is so much easier than you think. The idea started simple. I wanted to build a whiskey gift box that didn't just look handmade, but actually felt polished, personal, and premium. Something that turned heads. A gift that gets kept, not re-gifted. So I spent some time designing it properly. Every detail had a purpose. A clean exterior, a live edge feature panel, and a hidden insert inside. It all had to feel intentional, not just thrown together. So I started with a piece of live edge timber, built a quick melamine mold, and sealed the edges before the pour. If you've ever done epoxy work before, you know air pockets are the enemy. Once the epoxy had cured, I flattened everything down. And from this point on, everything needs to be flat, straight, and square. If your boards are out even slightly, the whole box becomes a headache at glue up. This is one of those projects where a bit of extra prep up front saves a ton of frustration later. I might be speaking from experience here. For the joinery, I kept it clean, mitered corners with a rabbited back panel. Could I have done box joints or dovetails? Sure. But miters gave it a slick, minimal vibe that fits the whole boutique gift feel I was going for. Before glue up, I always pre-fit the hardware. Hinges, magnets, handles, it's way easier to recess everything while the panels are disassembled and flat. For glue up, I'm using painter's tape and a couple of strap clamps. Quick, clean, easy. Then I cut the back panel after assembly, because let's be honest, your box probably isn't millimeter perfect, and that is completely fine. Cutting it now means you get a snug fit no matter what. And before the glue sets, double check your corners. I cannot stress this enough. A box that is out of square is way easier to fix now before the glue dries. Trust me, I know from experience. I like to sand from 80 grit up to 180 grit on the outside, and then 400 grit on the epoxy to make it pop. I then hit it with Osmo Pure. Wipe on, wait, wipe off. It doesn't get much easier than that. Here's where the magic really happens. We've laser cut a foam insert out of EVA playmats. It holds the whiskey in glasses perfectly. It's the one detail people would never expect, but it makes all the difference. If you're into laser work, I've dropped the cut file in the description below. And if you don't have a laser, not a problem. A sharp blade and the template will still get you there. If this has sparked an idea, smash that like button. It helps more makers find this video and tells us that you want more videos like this. Now to finish things off, I'm adding flocking to the interior for a high-end jewelry box feel. It's literally powdered velvet. Apply adhesive, shake it on, let it dry. Oddly satisfying if you ask me. After that, it's just the hardware. Glue in the magnets, fit the hinges and handles, pop on some rubber feet, and load it up. And there you have it, a whiskey gift box that looks great from the outside, but when you open it up, pure luxury. If you've got value from this, hit the like button. It helps way more than you think. And if you're into woodworking with a twist, laser, epoxy, clever builds, make sure you subscribe. There's another video on your screen that I've handpicked and I think you will love. I'll catch you over there. Cheers, guys.